The images speak for themselves. Hurricane Laura delivered a direct hit to the Lake Charles Industrial Corridor, causing catastrophic damage to a large amount of transmission infrastructure that now needs to be completely rebuilt.
This hurricane was very destructive, and we're trying to do it as safely, as efficient as possible, and to get everybody's lights on.
Thousands of line workers are working to restore power, many navigating in swamps and marshes that slows the process down.
If you're using a barge, you got to have a tugboat or some type of apparatus to actually push that barge slowly down. You got to be very cautious. Be cautious of your surroundings.
Surroundings that also include natural predators.
So you got to be very careful of alligators and snakes. That is their territory. So you got to be very cautious of what you're doing.
Rebuilding and power restoration is complex. First is safety, then energy generation and transmission must be addressed.
There's a lot of moving parts that are going from generation to transmission. Got to get the transmission up so that we can get the substations up and running, which then can get the distribution lines out and running. Got to get the distribution lines up and running, but you can get the end transformer up so that you can feed the house. And then the last piece you got to have is you got to make sure that the customer is ready to receive service. There's a huge difference between restoration and rebuilding, and there's a lot of rebuilding that needs to happen in South Louisiana and in Texas. So it's a massive job.